Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we'll be assembling SA-310 part 343 A to C for the exhaust. Let's get assembling. Alright, so let's open up File, New, gonna open up Assembly MMGS this time. And we're going to View, Hide Show, Origins, pin that so it doesn't disappear. Come on, pin, thank you. We're going to do that one first. I can click into place, beautiful. Then we got that one and this one. There we go. And I can unclick and done. Now, this one slides on there, slides in there. I'm just thinking, there's a thread there, but there's no thread there. Was there supposed to be a thread there? Let me double check that. Now, I think there should have been, so let me open that up. It doesn't show it on there though, it just says 16 mil. Doesn't say anything about a thread, but I don't see how that would stay in there without a thread. So let me go into, actually, where's that plane? Let me unhide that plane, that'll come in handy. Let me go into thread. Okay, we want, it's gonna make it so hard. It's gonna be hard, this one. Actually, no. Actually, I know what I can do. Cancel that. Let me edit this one. Actually, I'll back up, sorry. Let me normalize that. Nope. Normalize that one, thank you. And then that one will be edit. Let me do a circle on that plane. There you go, match that size. But that's going to be construction. And done. Okay, so now we got that one there. Can we utilize that? Let's go hole wizard, thread. Okay, it's going to be, let me change that to that one. Come on. Okay, it won't let me do it, dang it. Okay, maybe. Hold on. Oop. Yeah, thank you. We still in there? No, we're not. Okay, just make sure you weren't still in there. Let me open that up. Let me change that back to non-construction. Exit, because it won't create anything. So let's see, feature, thread. No, it won't let me touch it. Oh man. Nope, won't let me pick it. If I pick that one, see, now let me pick that one. But won't let me pick that one. Okay. So let's go to blind. Actually, it still works. Okay, that works. I didn't realize it would work. That was what? 22. Let's go 11. Let's go to trim and trim. And wrong way again. Yes, it's got thread there. Yeah, see, I didn't want the thread there though. But there might be a way I can get rid of that. Maybe. Okay, let's just leave that. Oh. Yes, it's putting thread down there. Oh, man. Okay, you know what? We're just going to not worry about that. Let me just delete that one. Delete one for now. I'm not going to delete... yeah, that one's doing nothing. Let me just delete that one too. There we go. Save that. Actually, hide that. Save that. Go back to there. Now, let's just do... Let's do mate. That circle. The outer circle, inner circle. There we go. Beautiful. Now that will go... It's not bigger, is it? Oh no, that's the right size. I'm not going to lock that in place because it's going to be about there. But what I will do is turn off that view. Origin, thank you. This one and this one I'm going to make parallel, yep. That way if I try, I can turn but it won't turn. There we go, beautiful. Now we're going to go that circle with, what circle we go through? Okay, before going further, let me... Can I undo something on this one? Okay, I can. Beautiful. Let me just leave that one there. Okay, let's now do mate again. That circle, there you go, we can do that one now. Where we want this circle. Yep, that worked out good. But that's, oh, cancel that. Thank you. That's what it's trying to do. Okay, so now if we go to mate this with that. There we go. That's good. Let's slide that in till there. There we go. And that pieces together. But yeah, it should be a thread down there. I can't see the sense to have that thread, but none there. But I've got to work on that. So that's done. Let me just go back to this one. Hide that one. Save. There we go. That circle's gone. And yeah, that's why that's there. They can spin that around. That's why it's a flat surface there. It makes sense now. But this don't make sense. The gap there. But that's how it's in the drawing. It's down, so... Okay. But I guess the thread goes down. It's like... refines it. It's weird. Okay. That's what it is. Okay, let me just... Alright, that's assembly SA-310. Parts 343, A, B, and C. The boy exhaust done. So this part here, that clicks on to another piece. It shows now, but we haven't built that yet. It's part 355. That clips on there. So we haven't done that one yet, so we'll come back and redo that one later. But that is that done. So I hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Thank you again for all your support. Feedback's always welcome. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.